Hello, this is Phil from ttindicator.com. I'm here today to very quickly go over the TT Indicator version 1.0. TT stands for Trend Trade In. I'll explain what it is, how I use it, and how you can use it too. So let's get going. First of all, I will reset the chart, just so we start with a clean chart. I'll turn my indicator off first. I will remove my drawing tools. Reset the style. Okay, let's remove the buy and sell panel. Okay, so we have a fresh, clean chart like we all start with on TradingView. So we'll throw on the TT indicator and see what it's all about. Now, on the surface, this indicator looks very basic, and that's the intention. I didn't want to build an indicator that gives you information overload and distracts you from the actual price. I wanted to build something that wasn't distracting, but could also give you enough information to make an informed decision. I wanted to keep it so simple that anybody could use it, from beginner to a pro. Now, I've studied several strategies over the years that include moving averages, relative strength index, MACDs, commodity channel indexes, Elliott waves theory, Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku clouds, you name it, I've tried it. And this indicator basically aims to give you the best parts of all these strategies I've used over the years that have worked best for me. So, under the hood, we're actually checking several different indicators and almost 24 different conditions, how each indicator is interacting with one another, and the TT indicator will be checking this every single candle. It will never repaint. Historic candles will never change based on the current price action, so I know a lot of older indicators on TradingView had that problem. Okay. All that being said, let's get into it. So this is the daily chart of our beloved Bitcoin. Let's see what the colors are telling us. Now, the first thing you'll notice is there is a lot of green, orange, and some red. A little bit of red, so let's see what all this means. Green signifies that an uptrend is starting, or the price action is moving upwards. Orange signifies consolidation or correction, as we can see here, and red tells us that the current uptrend is over. We should wait for another signal to tell us that a new uptrend is starting. Okay, so the fourth color, which we can't see here, is blue, so let's go find blue. Yep, there's one. Now, blue tells us that a counter uptrend is starting. So while the price action looks bullish, we should still be wary that the overall trend is still downwards at the moment. Big uptrends do start with counter trend signals, which is why I've included it in the indicator. As you can see, this would have ended up a sideways trade, and this indicator will give you a few of these, a bit more often than I'd like, but in order to remove these, it would compromise the large uptrends that it's very good at identifying. So for version 1, until I can improve it, these stay, but the real strength of the indicator is when it doesn't print any signal at all. So let's have a look there. As you can see, the white or blank background is basically telling you there is no uptrend here and there's no longs to take, and it's likely going to be down. So from the daily perspective, let's see how this fares on the 2017 bull run and subsequent bear market in 2018. As we can see, our last uptrend signal was January the 11th, and we didn't get a potential uptrend until the 8th of March this year. Almost 15 months of downward action that can be or could have been avoided. Of course, if you wanted to play the swings inside, you would get plenty of entries on the lower time frames, the 4 hour, 1 hour, etc. So next we'll discuss how I use the TT indicator and how you can use it too.